Today, we are going to take a detailed look at the all-new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship smartphone packed with premium design, powerful performance, advanced camera technology, and next-level AI features. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, including dimensions, display, processor, RAM, storage, camera, battery, connectivity, and security features. So let's get started. Starting with the design and dimensions, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a premium glass and aluminum body that feels both strong and elegant. The phone measures approximately 162.5 millimeters in height, 79 millimeters in width, and around 8.3 millimeters in thickness. It weighs close to 233 grams, giving it a solid flagship feel in hand. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance for extra durability. Now, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with Quad HD Plus resolution. It supports a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which makes scrolling and gaming incredibly smooth. The display also offers HDR10 Plus support, peak brightness above 3000 nits, and Gorilla Glass protection for better durability. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or editing photos, the visual experience is simply top class. Moving to software, the Galaxy S26 Ultra runs on Android 16 with Samsung's latest One UI 8. This brings smoother animations, better customization, stronger privacy controls, and advanced Galaxy AI features for productivity and smart assistants. Samsung also promises long-term software and security updates. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite processor, built for flagship-level performance. However, there is no microSD card slot, so internal storage is your main option. Now, the most exciting part, the camera setup. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a massive 200-megapixel main camera with advanced AI image processing. It also includes a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x or 10x optical zoom, and an additional telephoto sensor for professional photography. For selfies, the front camera is expected to be around 40 megapixels with excellent portrait and 4K video support. Video recording supports up to 8K resolution, making it a serious content creation device. Battery life is also impressive. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a 5500 mAh battery designed for full-day heavy usage. It supports 65-watt fast-wired charging, fast wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging for accessories like earbuds and smartwatches. This means less charging time and more productivity. For connectivity, the phone supports 5G networks globally, along with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB Type-C. It also includes ultra-wideband support for smart tracking and premium ecosystem connectivity. Dual SIM support and eSIM functionality are also expected in most markets. When it comes to security and sensors, the Galaxy S26 Ultra includes an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and highly secure. It also supports Face Unlock for quick access. Other sensors include accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity sensor, barometer, and Samsung's advanced health-related motion sensors. So that was the complete specification overview of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's a true flagship device built for users who want the best in performance, photography, display, and premium design.